Hi, this is Nuno from Storm Real Estate. Welcome to Serene Raya Villas in Bangtao Beach. This spectacular project is only 500 meters from Bangtao Beach. There are only 14 villas in the boutique project. Each villa has 2 parking lots, private swimming pool, 3 bedroom and 2 floors. It's been developed by Thailand's famous developer who has built a lot of projects in the past. Apart from its quality and design, of course, its location is the premium feature of this project. There aren't so many villa options in this area that you can walk down to the beach. Within a 5 minutes walk, you can find yourself in the Catch Beach Club and Bangtao Beach. And of course, the villa itself is absolutely stunning. Now, let's go and have a look. As I mentioned earlier, this project has only 14 villas. Each villa has either 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom layout. Each villa has minimum 320 square meter land plot, goes up to 430 square meter. Built-up area of each villa start from 300 square meter, goes up to 390. The developer used top quality material building these villas. Each villa has smart home system installed. Also, each villa has fully fitted European kitchen. The prices start from 26 million baht and goes up depending on the land plot. There are only a few units left available. Contact us to get more information.